What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. In today's video, I have a medium drop fade for you guys. I believe this is my video number 4 or 5 today. Today's February 24th, 2020. I said the Barber Illuminati is back, and this time I'm back for real. Shout out to Custom Barber School in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? And if you're new to the channel, this is the time that you subscribe right now. All right. I have as you already know my style, half of the haircut has already been completed. I just leave the right side to share with you guys my all detachable blade skills. All detachable blades is taking a life on the internet. Even though very few people are doing all detachable blades, they Mickey Mousing around with it, but they buying a whole lot of detachable blade haircuts. Clippers. But anyway, let's get to the haircut. This gentleman here is a regular model on this channel. I think this is about recording number 4 or 5, and this is the last one. But this is the freshest of them all, I would say. Maybe not. But anyway, as you can see, this is what I'm going to show you a preview of the other side, just to show you what's in the making here. Yep, that's right. I'm going to keep spinning. This is what's in the making on the other side. We're looking good. Wow, this is incredible. Yes, this haircut was done with all detachable blades. That's it. Only the Barber Illuminati produced such kind of that type of work with all detachable blades, and that's just the bottom line. That's it. That's just the bottom line. Well, the line there is the bottom. That's it. We go for the bottom line. But anyway, I only have this portion here to fade, and then we're going to be doing a little bit of thinning. As you can see, the lining has already been completed. There won't be no editing, so I had to find a creative way to record. I don't have any resources to record, to edit the videos. So for now, I had an editor one time. She didn't work out for, so there's no editing involved. It's just straight up all detachable blade technique. As you already know, the way I do the haircut is the way I post it. That's just the bottom line. All right, let's get to it. Let's go! Yes, there's a lot of YouTubers that don't do all detachable blades with detachable blade clippers. How unfortunate. How are you going to spend over $300 on a clipper that you only use it to go 1.5 with the grain, when you could have just done that with your adjustable foolishness? But anyway, this is the Barber Illuminati. This is your all detachable blade factory. This is where you get all your all detachable blade techniques. The one and only Barber Illuminati. I am back. I won't stop until I get 1,000 haircuts posted. I said by the end of the year, but if I keep going like this, I might do that by the time July get here, because I'm obsessed with recording. I usually would take the camera with me at home every day, but I stopped doing that. I leave it at the school so I can have access to the camera every day, anytime, anywhere. Shout out to Big Al's Barbershop. It's a YouTuber I found online the other day. This gentleman is a hard worker. He about his business. He did an all detachable blade haircut the other day, and I give him a lot of credit for that. I'm sure he's one of my subscribers. I hope. I hope. I don't know if he subscribed to my channel or not. I can't really tell, but I hope he does. I hope he does. All right. My technique is plain and simple, as you already know. A lot of you guys are already familiar with my fitting technique. Here we go. This is my first guideline with the OA, as usual. OA. If you see I'm slowing down. Not I am slowing down, I slow everything down. I, on purpose, slow everything down because I want that blend to be extra clean. The other side came out flawlessly, and I intend for this side to be equal. So, if you see me, I usually would go a little faster, on purpose, slow this haircut down, and I give myself about 15-20 minutes to complete the work. This is my 000 into the OA. Let me drop the chair a bit. Boom. .50 coming up into my 000. I'm telling you, this haircut is gonna be lovely. Wow. .50 into the 000. Yeah, my goal is to prove to the rest of the world what one is able and capable of doing with all detachable blades. Each one is committed to the craft, to the art of all detachable blades. Yes, all detachable blades is the art. Haircutting is the art. This one in particular takes a little bit of patience and commitment to master. But once you master it, you will be unstoppable. Yeah, the mission of this channel is to provide all detachable blade haircut techniques to the rest of the world. Yes, the channel was originally designed to be an all detachable blade haircut. From time to time, I do an adjustable blade clipper haircut. You know, just trying to get some views here, trying to get some subscribers. But you guys already know what time it is. I have the 000 still on there, perfecting the first guideline. All right, let me move on. 1.5. I might have lingered too long because I only have 20 minutes. If not, the camera's gonna shut down. My memory is low. Okay, 1.5. 1.5. Second guideline. I intend for my 1.5 to merge with the top. There won't be any more steps. I hope not. So the way I'm fitting with the 1.5, I'm fitting in a way where I don't create any more steps beyond the 1.5 on purpose. That's the goal. 1A into my 1.5. So you can use the water if you want to. Okay. 1/8 into my 1.5. One into my 1A. OA into the 1. Easy. The blend is coming along pretty good. I just have to control my hand, not to do too much of a big stroke. Otherwise, it's looking good to me. A little bit of my 000 into the OA for perfection purposes. They say nothing is perfect. What do they know? All right. Oh man, we're looking good. Wow. All right, for perfection purposes, I'm gonna take some time to polish, to soften up the second guideline one more time. I'm not sure whether or not I'm gonna go through all the steps, but I feel like I need to go just a little bit softer right about in the section where the second guideline is. All right, quickly. I think I have about 3 videos to post tomorrow. I will not be posting the video tonight because I gotta go. Usually I cut and post right away. Just a little bit. We have 3 additional videos for tomorrow. It's all good. My style is to cut and post. Cut and post. This is the 1.5. I'm still working, detailing the haircut. Looking for little sections where I can touch up here, touch up there. All right, I'm gonna quickly I'm gonna do a little bit of thinning up top, and we're gonna let Benji go. This is the U.S. Navy's finest. Yep. This man been in this channel. The day I met him, not even the hour. About 10-15 minutes later from the time that I met him, he was on my camera. So it's destiny. Let's just call it that. I'm telling you. Yep. This man is a future haircut commentator. Yep. He comments on haircuts. Not yet. Future commentator. Just like the commentators at ESPN, you know, do commentating on sports. He does haircut. Maybe a future barber, you never know. Destiny have a funny way of putting things together. You never know. These videos being recorded at Marvelous Barber School, LLC. Yes, the Barber Illuminati is a licensed barber instructor with the state of Illinois. This is the real deal. I'm not some YouTuber trying to squeeze in a class. I'm licensed to licensed barbers. Barber Illuminati. I'm going to start with the water a little bit. We're still in range within the camera. Alright, YouTube, before I do the span, I'm going to style my man hair with the water. There won't be any product. Maybe he deserves a little bit of clip over comb. Quickly. Alright, YouTube, this is the cut. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. My memory card is full. Any minute the recording I shut down. So the haircut is done anyway. So it's all good. Alright, YouTube, this is the cut. I'm gonna do a quick span from front to back as usual. Look at this. Alright, this is all was done in front of you. With all detachable blades. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. Again. That's right. Look at this. Wow, this is incredible work. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, feel free to look us up on Instagram, Barber Illuminati.